Hey everyone, and welcome to my Coinbase crypto card review. Want to learn more? Check the description for helpful links. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, the Coinbase card offers a smooth way to spend your digital assets. This Visa card lets you spend crypto directly from your Coinbase account, instantly converting it to traditional currency. It works with a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDC. Easily switch between your chosen crypto within the Coinbase app. Earn up to 4% back in crypto rewards on purchases, depending on your selected currency. Maximize your crypto holdings while covering everyday expenses. Security features include two-step authentication, instant card freezing, and real-time transaction notifications. The user-friendly app lets you track spending, switch crypto sources, and view rewards. Enjoy contactless payments, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and wide acceptance through the Visa network. Be mindful of potential conversion fees. Check the fee structure for details. The Coinbase crypto card is perfect for earning crypto rewards while spending your digital assets. It seamlessly integrates with the Coinbase ecosystem, simplifying crypto finances. Want to earn rewards, track expenses in a streamlined app, and enjoy the reliability of Visa? This card might be for you. Learn more and apply via the links below.